another. Rhonda's got to get into the zone. She's got to focus. We are out of the cozy zone today, and once again, friends, we are playing with the Gourmande Girls Cosmetics times Doodles by the Bunny Spooked palette. I told you I planned on coming back with a grunge kind of look, and that's what we created today. Now, if you are new to this particular series, the way I have to do it is 100% your girl is jumping outside her cozy zone. I am, if y'all have this palette, you know, queen of neutrals. Neutrals, I can sit here, I can film, I can talk through the whole tutorial and application process and everything. When you give me a palette like this and say, let's create a look, we won't be talking here. It's like me in the morning when I first wake up before I've had coffee. No conversations will be had until I have 3/4 of that cup of coffee down. Until then, no thank you, no thank you. I love you, but no thank you. So when I do these particular videos, it's about a bunch of music. That is it. I plug in my AirPods, I watch or listen to a podcast, and I just fingers crossed. And that's what we did today. I love everything about this palette. Every single time that I've used it, that I've played around with it, I have jumped outside my cozy zone, and I have absolutely loved the creation that I have made. The look, the formula is next level. It's absolutely gorgeous. So before I get into the whole look and everything, the try on, if you're new here, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we're all about embracing the hot mess in this judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we keep it cute or put it on mute. Just a friendly reminder, if you can't handle a girl that rambles, which actually today I didn't do it too much, but you did decide to click on a channel where the very first word and the very first, well, actually the very first word, the name of the channel is Hot Mess. So I'm not for everybody, and I get it. I totally get it, but I don't need to hear about it, okay? Yeah, the older I get, the less F's I have to get. All right, that's where we're at. So let's go ahead and jump into a little bit of information about this palette. This is the second look that I have created with the Gourmande Girl Cosmetics Spooked palette. Y'all, you are getting a mixture of absolutely stunning colors. You've got some mattes, you've got some shimmers, and you have some shifty dewy shades that are or multi-chrome shades, I guess they're actually called, that are absolutely next level. I can't tell you enough of how beautifully buttery soft the mattes are, how beautifully buttery soft the shimmers are. No matter what you touch, you're gonna be in awe of the shade. Now, I did have a little bit of it wasn't a mixing issue as far as the formula. It was more of an operator. Like, I just didn't like the way the look was going. So you'll hear me talk a little bit about that later on, how I kind of corrected it and everything, and how I came up with this final look. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the try-on portion of today's video.
Talking to each other, I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing, time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. Away. always mixed emotions. The first step is always hard when you walk out of the doorway, but that's just the place to start. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break away. All colors will fade. Let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do. Let's break away. Somehow this is beautiful. Yeah. About time we let things go. Is this our destiny? Just like it was meant to be. Yeah. Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do.
Okay, I am back with the finished look, and once again, I am outside my cozy zone, but y'all, I flippin' love it. Let me try and zoom you all in so you can see. So as far as my lashes go, I'll go over everything that's on my face for you all. I have reused these Kiss Lash Couture Masterpiece one-of-a-kind luxe lashes. This is probably like my 4th time using them, and I love them. I mean, I need to like clean them up a little bit, but they're great. I mean, I film these videos around the house. If I was going out, then maybe I'd get a new pair, but oh, I absolutely love it. So let me tell you, when I did jump off, I did clean it up a little bit with my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base, because using that red shade Terror, I felt like just kind of messed up the look that I was going for. So I just kind of added a little bit more of the Clean Canvas Eye Base to to cover up the red a little bit, as you guys can see. And then I went in and added a little bit of a spell book in there, and then I added more of that purple back in as well. So if I'm zooming in so you all can kind of see the different layers that I added in there. And then to top it off, I finished it off with pumpkin, literally just in the center portion of my lid, and of course did a little cleanup with the white shade, so which is called Ghoul, which I did in the inner corners and everything. Nothing that I felt like was now that I'm explaining it, I'm like, oh, that sounds so technical, Rhonda. It truly really wasn't. It was just a way that I wanted to clean it up, because I felt like the red, the what shade was it? The Terror just kind of threw me off from what I was going for. So I love the way it turned out. I love like the rainbow of the shade Pumpkin. It's a shifty shade. It is so pretty. It's got yellows and greens and pinks and peachy shades in there. I know that my camera is probably not picking up that shift, but it is so stunning. It is absolutely gorgeous. So as far as everything else on the rest of my face, I did use on my waterline the Persona Cosmetics liner in the shade Black. This was like from a BoxyCharm. Then I went in with the Italiana Deluxe Ultra Fine eyeliner in the shade 1015 Royal Blue on my waterline. On my lips, I do have my OFRA Cosmetics Lip Duo, which you guys can see back here. It's actually still available on OFRA's website. Code HOTMESS will save you 20%. So thank you all if you do pick it up. It wasn't supposed to last this long, and they've kept it around, so I'm super excited. So these are the two shades, Truffle and LOML. Those are the Lickle Lippy and then the lip gloss. And then for liners, I do have the OFRA Chestnut, and then the colored in the center, the shade Silk for my liners. On my face, the powder products are of course my blushers mixed together from my OFRA collab. As far as my base makeup goes, I do have my SEINT makeup, contour, bronzer, and of course base, concealer, all of that on. I do, if you guys want a free SEINT makeup color match, I do have a link down in my description box below. As far as powders, I tried that Laura Mercier powder out again. Y'all, I don't know what the deal is. I know people used to love the Laura Mercier, but no, I had to go, and in my T-zone, I used my one size setting powder, and then all over my face, my Hourglass Veil. I love it. Under my eyes, I did use the under my eyes is the Jouer Cosmetics in the shade Fair. Overall, I love the way this look turned out. This is a new series, as you all know, on the channel, and it will have the playlist where this is right in the Gourmande Girls Cosmetics, the playlist. So that way, when I start doing looks, like another look with the Glam Light palette or whatever palette it will be, instead of labeling my playlist like September 2022 or October 2022, they're going to be individual. We've got Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money? If you're looking to save some money on inspired by dupe palettes, that playlist is there for y'all. So I will have everything linked and listed down below. Speaking of Glam Light, I did mix all three of these highlights together to get the highlight that you all see up there on my cheek. So I am just absolutely in love with this palette. Don't forget, code HOTMESS will save you 10% on this palette. I probably should have checked to make sure that it did not sell out. The formula is so amazing, I wouldn't be shocked if it did sell out. So hopefully it's available. Check out Gourmande Girls Cosmetics. This is the palette that was a collaboration with Doodles by the Bunny, and I think if y'all pick this up, hopefully you guys can follow along. Just put your own little spin on it. It was so much fun. I know I had like one person comment, I really wish that you would talk us through how you're doing your looks and what's inspired, what you're thinking. I'm not thinking. That's the thing. I'm putting my earbuds, what are they called? AirPods, my AirPods in. I'm listening to a podcast, and I'm going ham sandwich. I am just in the zone. I'm just playing, hoping for the best, and here we are. So I think this is the perfect, like, going into spooky season look. If you picked up this palette, hopefully you follow along with me. Thank you once again to my YouTube members. You don't have to be a member, but you choose to, and I appreciate you. If you're interested in signing up for the YouTube membership program, just check my description box down below. Along with all of the makeup and everything that I use will be linked and listed. If I can make them affiliate codes for you all, 100% I'm going to, so just FYI on that. Thank you if you do decide to use any of my links or codes. I greatly appreciate you because it does put a couple pennies into your girl's pocket. Don't forget to check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma vlogs for plus size cover girl fashion hauls. Over there I'm on Instagram and on TikTok at hotmessmomma4. So anyways friends, until next time, don't forget to check out the videos at the end of today's video. I would greatly appreciate it. I will go ahead and pop up the Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money video for you all. It's a whole playlist starting back from like 2017, and then the latest video will be off to the side. So thank you again for watching, and until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye friends.
The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better.